Good day, dear my listeners. So let's begin my next lecture. Today, we are going to talk about the scientific research, and we are going to answer the question, what is scientific research? Can we begin? Okay, let's begin the lecture. Look at the picture. Can you name it? Think very carefully. What is he doing? Yeah, right. He's making some kind of research. He's busy with conducting some kind of topic related to his sphere of interest. Research is something like that. To conduct, to search, to find an answer for some kind of problem. Research, it is an information gathering, library skills, finding something that one does not know. It is documentation, self-enlightenment, and so on. Generally speaking, it is finding information for some kind of problem. It can be linguistic problem or just an engineering problem. It can be any kind of problem related to scientific just conducting. There are different kind of point of views about the definition of the word scientific research. They say it is finding a definitive answer in a central goal of any experimental process. So, shortly saying, that means to find the way out for some kind of problem related to experience. Research is defined as a careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or a problem using scientific methods. So, in order to find an answer for a particular problem, you have to use different kind of scientific methods in order to prove your just idea. So let's speak about the general idea or guidelines about the scientific research. Today we are going to give general information about what is research. A report is an extended public written account on a certain topic in a particular study of course. Especially we gave a Russian explanation of the same, just the explanation of the same phrase. And when we speak about business plan, it is aimed to demonstrate students' knowledge and skills, abilities in starting their business, implementing innovative ideas. What about the term paper? It evaluates the knowledge about the course. It is an end of semester task and is usually a report or a discussion. It is written by students on a special course. Course paper is aimed to demonstrate students' skills on a specific course. When we speak about qualification paper, just paper, or just a bachelor's paper, we are going to say the following. Look at the screen. You can see sample of bachelor's thesis that was written in 2014 and 2015. So let's talk about the bachelor's thesis. What is it? It is aimed to systematize, broaden, and consolidate both theoretical knowledge and the practical skills. So especially this paper consists of theoretical and practical part. In the theoretical part, the student will show his or her ability to research and solve a particular theoretical problem. It will be in line with the practical part. When we speak about the practical part, it should follow the theoretical part. In the theoretical part, students will show or demonstrate his theoretical skills. And here, he should give full information about local, national, and international research on the same topic that he is working to. And then after that, he should show the results in the second part. When we speak about master's thesis, we can say the following. It is a students' professional development, and his or her scientific research skills. It also consists of theoretical and practical parts. It will demonstrate the students' grasp of the newest specialized literature, and of course, it will display the students' writing skills. Now, let's move to the main stages in the writing process. So we talked about the different kind of types of writings: report, business report, which is master thesis, and the bachelor thesis. Now we're going to talk about the main steps of a writing process. The writing process could be divided into the following stages. The first one is choosing a topic, choosing a theme. It's a very important issue. What kind of topic you should just choose for your research? That's the question. You have to decide or to talk to a professor about the topic, because especially the master's studies is given or is advised by the professor or advisor or scientific advisor, especially at the universities, because the professors and the teachers know the main concepts of this topic. After choosing the theme, and here the next step comes making a plan. Making a plan is very important. With your advisor, with a professor, you have to make a plan for more than 1 year or 2 years, because master's thesis is written not only 1 year, especially it's given 2 and more years. Here you have to make a plan, and then after making a plan, you have to gather information from the libraries, and then move to the next stage is the researching and analyzing the information you have gathered. The person you see on the screen, first of all, gather the information, and then after gathering, he begins to analyze it. And then after making analysis, you have to type the information you have gathered. And then after typing them, you have to format the paper according to the demands, according to the codes of matters that is. When we speak about deadline schedule, it should be just approved by your professor. The next step, when it's ready, you should follow master studies seminar or master studies pre-defense period. And of course, cooperation with your advisor will help you to prepare for defense ceremony. Pre-defense ceremony, you have to tell everything, whatever you have done, you have managed. And here below, the professors and the masters and the specialists will show you mistakes and lacks which you have to improve them till the defense day. And your professor should tell you about the changes and improvements, but he has got a full right not to sign the paper if it is not completed. Here you have to improve all your mistakes, then your advisor will sign the paper. He or she has got a full right to reject your project if it was not completed fully, if it's not finished. Don't forget about it. After the advisor signs the paper, you'll have a right to move to the next step. That is a step of defense day. In this very case, you should show all your papers, all your articles to your advisor, and he knows how to direct you. He knows how to find your mistakes. And of course, surely you have to improve all the mistakes shown by him. Recommended lengths, especially when we speak about the recommended lengths of the paper, you should follow the lengths as well as the speech. And so report should consist of 10 and 15 pages, while bachelor studies should consist of 50 and 60, and course paper 25 and 30. On the screen you can see the percentage of introduction, body part, and conclusion and recommendation part of the thesis. That's it for today. Thank you.